Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily enable Gmail synchronization from your Android phone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And if for some reason you previously disabled synchronization of any of your Gmail settings, or you have seen that you don't have synchronization of contacts or calendar, for example, then I will show you now how you can easily enable such synchronization of various Gmail options on your Android. First of all, friends, you will need to open the settings on your phone. For this, please swipe on your phone screen from the right side, from top to bottom. Now tap on the gear to go to Settings. In the settings, you will need to swipe and find an option called Accounts. Keep in mind that this option may be called differently on each Android phone. Most importantly, look for the word Accounts. Please navigate to this option. And here you will see absolutely all the different accounts that are tied to your phone. These can be accounts from Gmail, also, for example, from Facebook, from Telegram, WhatsApp, and other social networks. So, first of all, you need to select the Gmail account that you need. Click on it, and then, friends, select the option called Synchronize Account. And now you'll see a list of totally different details that you'll be able to synchronize in Gmail. For example, here is Calendar, also Contacts, Gmail Mail, and so on. And if some of the features you have, let's say, disabled, then you will need to activate them by simply clicking on the button next to them. And as you can see, this will start the synchronization process. That's the method that you'll be able to enable Gmail synchronization from your Android phone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put likes. See you soon.